Now we have completed our rotation. Okay, split tree rotations we have seen in our previous video. So now we will see the split tree insertion and deletion operation using the rotations. Okay, so here insertion means always we are inserting an element, we need to splay that element to the root. That is the algorithm we followed in the rotation operation. So now I am going to insert the element 22. So first element is 22. I am going to insert the element 22. So the tree is empty. Okay. So there is no tree here. So our first element is inserted. Okay, 22. So that element is already in the root only. So at the this element is no need to be split to the root. This is already in the root only. So next element is 17. So I am going to insert the element 17. So 17 is less than 22. So 17 is less than 22 means I need to insert at the left of 22. Okay. So at the left of 22 I am going to insert 17. So I need to splay this element to the root. Okay. So that what rotation will be followed? Zig rotation. So the element is at the left means we need to rotate it to the right side. Okay, so we need to follow the zig rotation. Zig rotation I am following. The element will be rotated and 17, 22. So now 17 is played to the root. So each and every time you are inserting an element to the appropriate position and making into the root. Okay, so that is the algorithm for the split tree. Okay, that is the method we are going to follow in a split tree. So next you are going to insert the element 24. So insert the element 24 means it is 17 greater than 24. No. So I will insert at the right side. Okay. So greater elements will be at the root node. We will compare with that element. If the element is greater than the root node means we will insert at the right side. Less than means we will insert at the left side. So that is the thing we know in the binary search tree itself. Okay. So in that formula only we are going to insert our elements. So 22. Then at the right of 22 again 24 will come. So here I am going to splay this element to the root. So I am going to splay that element to the root means what rotation here we need to follow. So it is at the right side. So we need to make it the appropriate position at the root. So here we need to follow a zag-zag rotation. Okay, so zag-zag rotation we need to follow. So zag-zag rotation here, first we need to rotate the grandparent, then the parent. So here this is the child node, this is the parent node, this is the grandparent of this child. So here first they said zag-zag rotation, right? Zag-zag rotation. In this we follow left. Zag means left. So left rotation. First we need to do the left rotation on the grandparent. Then first step. Second step what we have to do? Parent left side. So second rotation. So what will be there? 22. So if we pull this 17 it will come to the left side of the 22. So here 24 will be here. Okay. So next again what rotation? Second step we have to rotate it on the parent. So if I rotate this parent, what will happen? So this will be the next step. So 24 is played to the root and 22. So here at the left of 17 only is here. So here 17 will come. Okay. So next we are going to insert the next element 14. So 14 will be at the left side of 24 because, and again compare with each and every element, insert the element to the appropriate position. Okay. So 24 it will come at the right side. Again you left side. So again compare with this, again left side. So again you compare with this element, it will come at the left side. Okay. So now I will write the element here. So I am going to splay this 14 to the root element. Okay. So here what rotation we have to follow? Zag-zag rotation. Okay. So zag-zag rotation, zig-zig, If your element is at the left side means we need to follow the zig-zig rotation. If the element is at the right side means we need to follow the zag-zag rotation. So here I need to follow the zig-zig rotation. So I am going to do the zig-zig operation. So zig-zag operation also we need to first rotate the grandparent to the right side, then the parent to the right side. Okay, so here what is the parent of this 14? 17 is the parent and 22 is the grandparent. So first rotation should be done on the grandparent. Okay, grandparent. So what rotation should be done? Right rotation. So right rotation we doing on the grandparent. First step. Second step we need to do on the parent. So now what will be here? 24. So now we have inserted the 14 elements. So this only I will put double circle. Okay. So here 24 will be at the position. Now we are pulling this 22 down. Okay, if we pull this 22 down, 17 will be in the middle. At the left of 17, 14 will be there. At the right of 17, 22 will be there. So I have updated this. Now see that 14. Okay, so this will be the one zig rotation only we completed. On that also on the grandparent. So now we have to do the second step at the 17, that is the parent. So here I will do the again right rotation. So now what will be there? So now if I pull that 17 down, what will be there? 14 will go here. Okay, now we will write this 24, 14, 17 and 22 will be here. So here 14. Still 14 is not at the root. Okay, so we completed the zig rotation still. So here we will do one mistake. Okay, so what rotation we have to take this 14 again to the root. Okay, so what rotation we will follow? Zig rotation. Okay, only one rotation, only parent is there is no grandparent. So if I rotate this, 14 will be here, 24 will be here. So listen properly, here you will make the mistake. 14, at the right of 14 what is there? 17 and 22. So at the right of 14 what is there? 24. Now compare 17 and 14, 24. 24 is greater. So at the left side of 24 we will write 17. So at the right of 17, 22 is there. So like this some mistakes will be done. So you have to check this properly. So now 14 is split to the root element. So next we are going to insert the element 20. Okay, so now we are going to insert the element 20. Where we will insert the element 20? Compare 14 and 20, it is greater. So right side. 24 and 20, it is less. So at the left side. 17 and 20, again greater. Again 22 and 20, it is smaller. So at this place only 20 will be inserted. So now I am going to play this 20 to the root node. So what rotation we need to follow? Zigzag rotation. Okay. So first we need to rotate the right side, then we rotate to the left side. So now we will write this zigzag rotation. So now one condition we need to see. Zig and zag only first grandparent, second parent. So in zigzag and zag first we need to rotate the parent, then grandparent. So this condition you should not fail to. If you do in a reverse order or if you follow this condition, any one of the condition wrongly means you will not get the answer correctly. So now you check this. 20 will be rotated to the, this is the child, this is the parent, this is the grandparent. So first what they have said, we have to do zigzag rotation, right? So zigzag rotation means, zig means right rotation, zag means left rotation. So first we are going to rotate the parent. That parent should be rotated to the zig rotation, that is right side. First step. Then grandparent, zag rotation, that is left side. Second step. So here 14 and 24 we shall write it like this self. So here we will do this operation at the below of this. So what will happen? First we need to rotate the parent to the right side. If you pull this 22, 20 will go to this position. Okay, so 17 will be as like that, 20 and 22. So again only zig rotation is completed. So now we are going to do the zag rotation. So zag rotation again I have to pull this to the 17 to the left side. So now 14, 24. What will happen if I pull this 17, 20 will be here. At the left of 20, 17 will be there, and at the right of 20, 22 will be there. So now you check the condition. Is 20 splayed to the root? No, not yet. It is not splayed to the root. So now again what I have to do? I have to follow the again zigzag rotation. So again zigzag rotation. So now this is the child, this is the parent, this is the grandparent. Okay. So what rotation I said? Zig and zag rotation. So first we need to rotate the parent. Okay. Parent should be rotated to the right side. That is the first step. Then second step, we have to rotate the grandparent to the left side. So now this will be the so if I rotate this parent to this side, what will happen? This I am pulling it down. 20 will be at this position. So don't write 22. We will be have some problem. Okay. So I am pushing this 22 down. 24 down. 24 will be here. And again we have to compare with this element. So compare with this element 20. At the right of 20, what is there? 22. So you have to compare this 24 and 22. 22 will come at the right side of 20. At the right side of 20, 24 is already here. So 22 will come here. So at the right side of 20, 17 is here. Okay. So next again we need to do the left rotation. That is grandparent should be rotated to the left side. So here I am going to pull this grandparent so that 20 will be made to the root element. So 20. So if I pull this down, it will come to the, I am pulling this down. Okay. So it will come at this position 14. Then we will complete this right side. Then we can fill the left side. Okay. So at the right of 20, 24 and 22 is here. 24 and 22. Now there will be doubt. Okay. So at the left side of 20, 17 is here. So we pull this down. This 14 was attached here. So 17 will come at the left of 17. So left of 20. So now compare 17 and 14. So 17 will come at the left side, right? So 14 and 17. 17 is greater than 14. So 17 will come here. So this is the insertion operation of a splay tree. Okay. So now we are going to delete the element 17. So for deleting the element 17, again what we have to do? We have to splay that element to the root. Okay. So deletion or whatever operation we are going to do, that element should be made to the root. Okay. Then only we can follow the operation. So to splay this element, so we are going to do the deletion operation, right? To splay this element to the root, what I have to do? We have to follow zag-zig rotation. Zag-zig rotation means what we will follow? First we will need to rotate the element to the left side, then right side. Okay. So first this is the child element, this is the parent, this is the grandparent. So first we will rotate this according to this algorithm, zag-zig rotation. First parent element, then grandparent element. So parent element should be followed the zag rotation. Zag rotation means left hand side. Okay, first I am going to rotate at the left hand side, then right hand side, second one. So here 20 will be at this position. At the right side no changes will be there. So first I am writing that. Okay, so now I will pull this element. So 17 will be here. So I am going to delete this element, right? So I am splaying this element to the root. So I am marking this element with a double rotation. So if I pull this, 14 will be here. Okay, again next what rotation I have to do? Again I have to do the grandparent rotation. Grandparent should be pulled to the right side, okay, because zag-zig rotation we are following. So zag we did left rotation on the parent, so right rotation on the grandparent, okay, parent, grandparent. So now I will rotate this 20 to the right side. So this step will be 17 is played to the root, 20. So again at the right side of 20, 24, at the left of 24, 22. Then 14 will be here. So now we are going to delete this element 17 and it is also split to the root. Okay. So for deleting the element, I will write it here. So 17 is same diagram I am copying here. Okay. 14, 20, 24 and 22. So for deleting an element, we need to take the right subtree and left subtree. Okay, the left subtree we have to separate and keep it, and the right subtree we have to keep it separately. So I am going to delete this element. So left subtree of this 17 is only one element, that is 14. Right subtree we are having 3 elements. I am writing that 3 elements, 20, 24 and 22. So we have to attach this two as a single tree. Okay, so what we have to follow is we need to take the right subtree, the maximum value, any of the maximum value of the right subtree as the root node, or any of the minimum element of this tree as the root node. We can do any operation. Okay, so in this side we have to take the maximum value of the left subtree and minimum value of this right subtree. So here I will draw the two methods. Okay, first method I can make this 14 as the root element. Okay, only one element I will make it as this 20, 24 and 22. So another way also I can draw this one method is this one. Okay, the another method I can do it as 20 is the smallest element, minimum element of this tree is 20. So again this is at the root itself, so I will attach this 20, 14 is will come at the this position, 14, 24 and 22. So we will get two different types of tree after deleting an element. So this is the split tree insertion and deletion operation. Thank you.